Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. And also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So this one right here is coming from, and it's another pickup from Zadehkicks. I actually did the pre-order on this one since I knew it was going to be kind of tough for me to grab. So, and sure enough, on the sneakers app, it crapped out on me. It took me a while before I was able to get in, and I tried both the desktop and the sneakers app on release day, and both were fails. So even though I got the pending screen on both, still wasn't able to grab it. So here they are. Let me crack this open right here. And I know the resale price on this has, dropped a lot. So I guess people that actually have them were panicking, and so if you missed out on these, I know the resale on this pair is actually dropping, actually dropped a lot. So size 10, suggested retail is $225. Air Jordan 4 Retro, colorway is University Blue Black. These are the Travis Scott 4s or the Cactus Jacks 4s. You got the Jordan 4 box right there. You got the Jumpman with the flight at the bottom. Let's crack this open right here. Black paper. And here is my pair right here. And again, I've done multiple transaction with Zadehkicks, and all of them have been legit. So I have no issues as far as doing business with him. Right there. And again, with the production of this, even though it's a collab, there are some flaws and stuff like that. I know it's with a lot of pairs, and I kind of like see like a little bit of mine already. I can see it on the toe right there, right here. But it is what it is, It's just disappointing that they did this type of collab, and there's some issues with the production of it. It's, see right there, but I know it's more on the production side of it. But once you start wearing anyway, it's gonna start showing stuff. So but here is my pair. It says Cactus Jack on the one, and you have the Jumpman on the other back tab. You got this nubuck upper, this baby blue pretty much, with the black laces. You got the Jumpman up top, and you got the mesh, lining right there, with the black mesh. You got the red air unit. You got the black bottom with kind of like a milky bottom with the red Jumpman right there. But as you probably already know, that this is based off of the Houston Oilers colorway. Black laces. But yeah, just a quick look of the pickup I got from Zadehkicks. Again, he's 100% legit. He has no control of the production of the way the shoes are made, but it is what it is. But still, again, 100% legit from Zadehkicks right here. For YouTube, if you guys have any questions, hit me up, leave me a comment or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. For YouTube, peace.